Hello everyone, welcome to Eric's Foreign Language Wonderland. I'm Eric, and today we are going to cover the fourth lecture of our preliminary French lessons series. Our topic for today is cardinal numbers from 0 to 100. Here are the topics we're going to cover for this lecture. First, we are going to learn how to count from 0 to 100 in 3 languages: French, Spanish, and German. Next, we'll summarize the French number rules. Finally, we'll do some in-class exercises. Let's get started. Section 4.1 Numbers 0 to 10. Now, let's learn how to count from 0 to 10 in French people's perspective. Please repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count from 0 to 10 from Spanish people's perspective. Please repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, let's count from 0 to 10 from German people's perspective. Please repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we move on to numbers 11 to 20. Now let's count from 11 to 20 from French people's perspective. Please repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's do the same thing, but from Spanish people's perspective. Please repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, let's count from 11 to 20 from German people's perspective. Please repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next, we'll cover numbers 21 to 30. See you in the next video.